Today, I'll show you how to create Google Ads dynamic search ads. Dynamic search ads use your website content to help match your ads with relevant searches. Instead of manually adding every keyword and headline, Google can scan your website, choose relevant landing pages, and generate headlines based on the search and page content. Google says dynamic search ads are useful for advertisers with a well-developed website or large inventory. First, open Google Ads and log in to your account. Click Create, then choose Campaign. Select your campaign goal, such as sales, leads, or website traffic. Now choose Search as the campaign type. Continue through the basic campaign settings, including your location, language, budget, and bidding strategy. Next, create an ad group. For the ad group type, choose Dynamic if Google shows that option. Now enter your website domain. Google will use this domain to understand your website pages and match searches with relevant content. Next, choose your dynamic ad targets. You can target your entire website, specific categories, specific pages, or URLs that contain certain words. For beginners, you can start with specific pages or categories so you have more control. Now create your dynamic search ad. Google will generate the headline and final landing page dynamically, but you still need to write the description lines. Write clear descriptions that explain your offer, service, product, or benefit. After that, review your campaign. Check your domain, targeting, budget, descriptions, and location settings. When everything looks correct, click Publish. Keep in mind that Google announced dynamic search ads will be upgraded into AI Max for search campaigns starting in September 2026. So newer accounts may see AI Max options instead of the older dynamic search ad setup. And that's it. You now know how to create Google Ads dynamic search ads. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.